A very good evening and welcome all our esteemed viewers, Lions, non-Lions, friends, relatives from all over the world. Welcome to the fifth episode of Roar with Rishi. Roar with Rishi was a concept. It was started almost 2 months ago. Uh, it was the idea of our creative head, Lion Rupesh Mehta of Lions Club of Mankur, president, that we should have a Lions image building program where legendary Lion leaders from all over our country and in fact all over the world who have done so much for the community and for nations in the past 30, 40 years, they should come and share their experiences with all of us. And as young Lions, we can learn all the fantastic projects they have done and how we can replicate their ideas and get inspired and motivated by them. And that is how this entire process started. And today, on this fifth episode, I'm extremely pleased to inform you that we have somebody very special. Road with Rishi started with the blessings of our past district governor, Lion Surinder Sharma ji, and our immediate past district governor, Lion Maneshwar ji. And there are so many guests or esteemed lions which we've had in the past few weeks. Today, we have somebody who's a lion and he roars like nobody else because he is a motivational speaker par excellence, somebody who is the face of our city, जो हमारे मुंबई शहर की आन बान और शान है, सिर्फ मुंबई के नहीं हमारे देश की. Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome world-renowned motivation speaker, Dr. Lion Pawan Agarwal ji. नमस्कार सर. नमस्कार.
नमस्कार सर. नमस्कार ऋषि जी.
ये हमारा सौभाग्य है कि इतने बड़े इंटरनेशनल मोटिवेशन स्पीकर जो TEDx पे जैसे प्लेटफॉर्म पे और जियो चैट्स के प्लेटफॉर्म पे और दुबई और यूएसए और यूके और पता नहीं कितनी कंट्रीज में आप लोगों को जाके मोटिवेट कर आज हमारे शो में आके आपने हमारे शो का गौरव बढ़ाया सर. आई कैन स्टे विद ऑल ऑनेस्टी. थैंक यू फॉर
इट्स माय प्रिविलेज एंड ऑनर.
सर हमारे पवन अग्रवाल जी को सभी जानते हैं, बट एक थोड़ा सा एक उनका बायोडेटा इफ आई कैन पुट इट टू आवर व्यूअर्स. Lion Dr. Pawan Agarwal ji is in the field of social work. He is a Dabbawala by profession. He was a Dabbawala by profession, but right now, currently, Dr. Pawan Agarwal is an international motivational speaker, author, and an educationalist who inspires and encourages people, making them realize their true potential around the globe. Being the son of a farmer, he struggled a lot for his education during childhood, but today, he is somebody who has done a PhD on the logistics and supply chain of Dabbawalas. Lion Dr. Pawanji's name has been associated with the Dabbawalas of Mumbai for over a decade now. He has worked tirelessly to increase the profile of this integral Mumbai network ever since he began in research on logistics and supply chain management of Dabbawalas in Mumbai. He started the Mumbai Dabbawala Education Center to provide free computer training and English speaking courses to Dabbawalas and their children. Today, his 30 years of research and experience has helped people on the path of personal growth and organizational fulfillment, be it students, be it corporates, be it the high and mighty prime ministers, president, king, Prince Charles. Everybody loves him. He's appeared on numerous radios and television shows in the past 10 years. He has been to IIT, IIMs, and motivated people there, case studies on the Dabbawalas he's presented there. And he's written a book on Dabbawalas of Mumbai. Then that is not all. He has, as part of his fantastic social work, he has introduced the concept of Roti Bank, which is collecting food from different places and distributing it to the needy people with the help of Dabbawalas. He has devised, this is something very, very unique, Kapada Bank, to provide clothes for flood-affected people in different villages of Maharashtra. He is the ambassador of Swachh Bharat Abhiyan. He's been to Rashtrapati Bhavan during International Day. He was part of that committee. He is organizing fund relief for earthquake, and he is the founder president of the Kamlabai Educational and Charitable Trust, which runs schools and junior colleges for children of Dabbawalas. And he is providing education facilities to more than 6,000 underprivileged children. Sir, pranam hai. And last but not the least, Lion Dr. Pawan Agarwal ji is also associated with Lions Club of Ghatkopar for the past so many years and has served various posts remarkably in the true spirit of Lionism. मेरे पास शब्द नहीं है सर. आई एम, मैं नहीं, हमारे पूरे लाइनिज्म में, पूरी मुंबई में, पूरी दुनिया में आपके लोग फैन हैं आपके। मतलब आपने कमाल किया है, धमाल किया है पिछले सो मेनी साल में। एंड मैं, इफ आई मे आस्क यू सर, I was going through your biodata, and I believe you started with a very humble background. Please tell us something more about your childhood. Your, if I believe you had to struggle during your studies, और ये PhD तक कैसे पहुंचे सर?
ऋषि साहब, सबसे पहले तो रियली आई एम enlightened and more, I think, with your roar with Rishi, and really you are roaring, because last couple of days, Rishi sir, you have taken so keen interest, and couple of times you spoke, I think 20-25 minutes with me, and you are planning what the today's program should reach mileage to globally. Sir, everyone takes responsibility, but Rishi sir, Rupesh ji, the manner in which you are taking last 1 week efforts, my hats off to you and my salute to you all, because it shows really you are roaring in the interest of community at large. See, today I came to know more than 20 countries people listening this program. And believe me friends, 1 hour you will 100% feel you are at the top of the world by listening this program today, not because I'm a good speaker, because they are managing in such a fabulous manner. Friends, he asked me about my life. Of course, हिंदी में बोलते हैं ना, घर घर की कहानी है. In India, if you go to your great grandfather or father, like me, of course today I'm 58 years old. So friends, बोलते हैं हिंदी में, पहले हमारे पास खाने को नहीं था, आज खिलाने के लिए है. This is the what generation has done lot of efforts and work hard in India, because we Indians are known for hard working. Despite we are smart, but we are always having hard work. So sir, ऐसे ही हुआ. Actually, I'm the son of a farmer. I took education in village Julia district in Maharashtra, and unfortunately, friends, you will surprised to know I have failed in 10th standard. And you know, today's father, if someone fail, father always give more and more love. Beta, don't worry, I am there. Again fail, don't worry, I am there. But पहले के पापा ऐसे नहीं थे. When I failed, I was crying. Papa came and beaten me lot. बोलता फिर होगा, होता है. And then Papa encouraged me. हमारे मराठी में एक कहावत है, मुझे पापा ने वही बोला उस समय. It was 1977. बोले लड़ाई नहीं, लड़ाई. You know what it is? Don't cry. You should fight, because your life is still away. It is a style of life. And believe me, that day I decided, and I never turned back. Then I came to Mumbai because he wanted for education. Not came, he threw me to Mumbai. So believe me, that time I'm not feeling shame to tell myself or feeling something awkward, but I was not having food for one-time food money also, friend. I was taking food lunch at 3 o'clock. So it was lunch and dinner together. Can you imagine? Despite so much struggle, I took higher education. I'm highly qualified. And then I decided what struggle I had done in my education. So I decided to become a teacher. And because of that, I started coaching, teaching, and because of I was teaching, sorry, not praising, I was best of the best teacher. And in a couple of years, started to earn money, and then my father always, friend, please try to understand, I believe, at least in India, every father is a mentor of a son, always.
Yes.
So same thing, my father was a mentor. He guided me, you earn money, but remember you are earning in education. You should not spend single rupee out of education. And from that time, Rishi sir, I opened that Kamlabai Education Charitable Trust. Kamla is my mother. Now mother, father is no more now. But friends, they have given the lesson of my life, because they taught me to earn money may be easy, but to spend money in a good manner is difficult. It requires wise people, like Lions of many clubs are doing. I'm thinking today Lions Club because they're organizing today's program, and I'm also Lion Moda. And friends, believe me, I started school in slum area. Sir, Kalwa, Kamote, Raigad district, and Parkside, all are slum area. Friend, believe me, I took one slum बोलते हैं झोपड़ा, बोलते हैं हिंदी में, एक झोपड़ा लिया, दो झोपड़ा लिया. Friend, believe me, today all schools and खास तौर पे Lions Club Ghatkopar और many Lions district Rishi sir, many people knows about this, so I am telling truth no doubt.
Yes.
But I am feeling proud. Rishi sir, this even my whole family, they are highly qualified. My elder son chartered accountant, my younger son MS from US, their wives, my whole daughter-in-laws both, sir, whole family into serving these children. You know what is this? Because self-satisfaction. See, this Lions Club Ghatkopar, I told my friend, the Rishi sir, Rupesh sir taking a lot of pain because they want to serve the society. Friend, हम लोग किसी पे एहसान नहीं करते, हम अपने आप पे एहसान करते हैं, तो अच्छा काम कर कर. If you work something good, friend, you are obliging yourself. And that's what I had done. And friends, then my PhD start, I then PhD Dabawala, उसके बारे में कभी और बोलूंगा मैं. But really, friends, it's my pleasure. God has chosen me to do this. So always, every morning, 100 times, I may not thank, but I should thank God. You have done this opportunity for me, and you have chosen me to do this job. And that's why today I am here in a program, Roar with Rishi. It's God bless. God bless.
Beautiful, sir. Beautiful, beautiful words from a fantastic, from a big man. And sir, आप डब्बावालास के बारे में जानने के लिए हमारे व्यूअर्स बहुत उत्सुक हैं. डब्बावालास की जर्नी, डब्बावालास का सिस्टम, सिक्स सिग्मा जो पूरे वर्ल्ड में प्रसिद्ध है. मैं चाहता हूं हमारे व्यूअर्स को थोड़ा सा एक वीडियो प्रेजेंटेशन, एक 18 मिनट का आपने टेड टॉक्स में और जीएड चार्ट में दिया हुआ है, जो 18 मिनट में लोग 18 साल में नहीं सीख पाते सर, वो आपने 18 मिनट में इतना ब्यूटीफुल एक प्रेजेंटेशन बनाया है. सो व्यूअर्स, फॉर द नेक्स्ट 18 मिनट्स, Lion Dr. Pawan Agarwal ji will sail us through the entire journey and all that beautiful work that the Dabbawalas have been doing for the past 130 years in the city of Mumbai, and what a fantastic management system they have. Sir, all yours. The presentation, please, sir.
Rishi sir, it's my really good, my honor that you are giving me this opportunity. Because friends, what Rishi sir told really rightly true, that in 18 minutes, I'll take 18 minutes, maybe not 1 minute more or less, I'll take 18 minutes. And believe me, friend, बोलते हैं ना, 18 minutes में I may not change your life, but I will change your thoughts. जिंदगी बदल नहीं सकता, लेकिन आपकी सोच बदल दूंगा. Not because I'm a good speaker, my contents are very good. Despite you know Dabbawala, but because you told that globally people are listening me, so I want to explain in short what Dabbawalas are doing. Sir, in Mumbai, Dabbawala are delivering lunch box, but they are not caterers. The food is cooked at your home. What they are doing, they collect your lunch box from your home in Mumbai and they deliver before lunchtime in your office. After lunch is over, they will get back empty tiffin same day in the evening at home. It means they are doing simple 2 deliveries in a day. And on this food delivery, I speak globally because the delivery is important. But more than that, how they deliver, that is more important. बोलते हैं ना, काम तो क्या करता है, कैसे करते हो, कैसे करते हो. Sir, believe me, ये लाइन्स वाले काम तो करते हैं, लेकिन उनके चेहरे पे खुशी होती है. हमारे घर में कोई आता है, आप पानी पिलाते हो, सर वो पैसा नहीं है, आपको पानी पिलाने के साथ आपकी हंसी ज्यादा इंपॉर्टेंट है. So that's why they deliver excellent. Now, some people may not be knowing why Dabbawala collects your lunchbox in Mumbai, why you cannot carry your own lunchbox in Mumbai. So mainly 2 reasons. In Mumbai, our customers travel by local train, and you know, local train is overcrowded, so they cannot travel with tiffin. They find difficult with empty hands. They cannot carry. Number 2, even they want to carry 60-kilometer journey from home to workplace. Suppose you want to reach office 9 o'clock, you will start morning 6 o'clock, and still want to carry your own tiffin. Your wife should go 5 o'clock. But sir, Rishi sir, Mumbai husband do not allow wife to go 5 o'clock because Mumbai husband love his wife. Sorry, every Indian husband love, but प्यार करता है, अंदर की बात कुछ और है, but ऊपर की बात तो यही है. So what happened? Husband want my wife should go 8 o'clock. So what happened? Husband starts 6 o'clock, wife to 8 o'clock, and 9 o'clock to come to collect tiffin. Dabbawala. Sir, ऐसा सुनना मेरा पहला मैसेज. We give service to customer, but we make customers' wife happy. That's a business. That's a business. तो मैं मुंबई में प्रचार करता हूँ, जो बीवी से करे प्यार, वो डब्बावाला को कैसे करे इनकार.
सही है, सुपर, सही
मैं
है.
बोलता हूँ सर, जो लायंस क्लब से करे प्यार, वो सेवा से कैसे करे इनकार.
ब्यूटीफुल.
सर्विस भी कहा है. सर फ्रेंड्स ये होता है सर. My message is what? Friend, you should be service to customer, but along with customer, you should make happy to many people. Like today, we are with Rishi, believe me friend, maybe 1,000 people, 100 people listening, but that message goes to millions of people. So that is what your target in business. Friend, as far as Dabawala are concerned, we call in our business, so we call as masters of logistics. Remember, friend, what we call as masters, friends, because we call that Dabawalas are masters of logistics. Despite they do not know what is logistics or supply chain, but they are masters. Sir, मैं आपको अभी और 15 मिनट बचा, 3 मिनट होगा. In 15 minutes, I'll tell you about passion, commitment, consistency. Friend, you are surprised to know Mumbai Dabawala delivering this lunch box in Mumbai last 130 years consistently, and that too with 100% execution in 130 years. It never happened. Single tiffin is not delivered. Impossible. Impossible. I asked on Dabawala, suppose one tiffin you not deliver, what will happen? Customer can eat outside food. You know what Dabawala says? Sir, if one day I not deliver, that day my customer can eat outside food. But suppose that day my customer's wife put medicine for husband in the morning, and that day I not deliver, and if something happened wrong to my customer, who is responsible? Dabawala says, I am responsible. And because of that, every delivery is important. Friend, whenever you work, maybe socially, maybe commercially, you should work 100%, and that too accuracy. So this is possible because of dedication, and that too timely. If you go and Google and search in time, on time delivery, you will find on the top Mumbai Dabawala. Despite their delivery depend on local train, despite local train may not run on time, Dabawala always on time. I asked how it is possible. पता बंदा क्या बोलता है? Sir, I am not railway minister. I cannot change train system. I can change my system. My goodness. My message to youth, my dear friends, you have to accept system. You have to accept. If you not like system, you should make yourself powerful to change the system. Don't comment the system. Don't comment system. हाँ यार, चेन सिस्टम बदलने की ताकत रखो. अरे चाय वाला बन सकता है, तुम भी बन सकते हो. कोशिश तो करो यार, कोशिश तो करो. सर, कमेंट नहीं करना सिस्टम पर. तो कोई भी हो, राष्ट्रपति हो, प्रधानमंत्री हो, या हमारे डिस्ट्रिक्ट गवर्नर हो, या तुम्हारे घर के मुखिया हो, आदर हो, किसको कमेंट्स नहीं करना. You have to follow the system. That's what Dabawala says. And sir, our main this system is because of, sir, our purpose, or you know, our purpose is, sir, very simple: complete customer satisfaction. And that's why our main two principle, worship customer is God. Sir, if you see, started 1890, in 1890, one Dabawala, one customer. Sir, today, 5,000 Dabawala delivering 200,000 lunch box. And that too work for 9 hours. My dear friend, believe me, when these people work 9 hours, so these people do not get 1 minute relax, despite they work 9 hours consistently, because these people say, sir, 9 hours, I am the owner of my business, and I am the owner of my customer. Can you imagine? Sir, अपने आप को छोड़ देता है. Friends, again my message to youth, I'm sorry, I'm talking youth because, sir, पूरे देश की, पूरे वर्ल्ड की youth धरोहर है. In every country, youth are the main backbone of every country. And friends, believe me, today, maybe my children or listeners' children, so today children are more talented. They more deserve. But I'm sorry, they don't do hard work, might be. Friend, you may be smart, but you must do hard work. Consistently. And that's why Dabawalas are doing these things. Friends, I tell you how and what is the special features of this system. Friends, in that you will see that structure is there, very good structure. Friend, they work in that Mukadam, and if you see, this is Mumbai local train map. Very quickly I will tell you, friends, in Mumbai we have 3 trains: local train, mono train, metro train. But Dabawala can travel by local train because they are allowed to travel by luggage compartment. साहब, मुंबई में तो दवा वाला, पेट्रोल वाला, दूध वाला, मच्छी वाला, भाजी वाला, फूल वाला, पता नहीं कितने लोग ट्रैवल करते हैं यार. मुंबई is the really why we call Maya Nagari, why metropolitan city, because globally everyone knows about Mumbai, yes, because everyone work in Mumbai globally, not only India, globally. So friend, this is local train map. I am showing flatter to understand better, and I will show you one Dabawala example. You assume, understand 5,000 people working more or less like this only. And he showed animation. So this man will collect 40 lunch box from this area. Now what he will do? He will collect 40 tiffin and he will drop 40 tiffin to the nearest station called Velaparle. Why he will drop here? Because here 10, 20 Dabawala will come and tiffins are resorting. After resorting, he will ask to carry 40 lunch box from Vilaypur to Dadar. Again, tiffin resorting. Again, he will ask to carry 40 tiffin, Dadar to Grand Road. Again, he will ask to carry 40 tiffin, Grand Road to Churchgate. Oh my God. Sir, people believe Dabawala collect tiffin, deliver tiffin. No man, throughout the day, 9 hours, he is in collection, delivery, loading, unloading, coding, decoding, sorting, resorting. That too, overcrowded local train, over on his head. My dear friends, before 100 years, he was carrying on head in the today era of technology. Today also they are carrying on head because no alternate. When they want to shift tiffin, platform 1 to platform 4, they have to lift on head. When they cross the road, so 2 kilometers divided in Mumbai, they have to lift on head. Why? They accept work culture. So please accept your culture. Work culture. Because whatever situation is there, you have to accept the situation and you should make yourself more favorable to situation. That is like that only. So now he will carry by road, maybe on head, maybe on shoulder to Nariman Point, business center. Now he will carry 40 tiffin and now he will ask to deliver 40 lunch box in this express tower building because 40 people waiting for lunch box. Can you imagine, friend? Consistently, after lunch, he will go back to the same route. Can you imagine? Friend, what is my message? Sir, working. Despite about like this, you will see error rate. 1 error in 16 million transactions. 16 million. And because of that, they got 6 Sigma certification. Sir, the first Indian company who got 6 Sigma, that is Mumbai Dabawala. Can you imagine? Second in the world. Despite they do not use technology. And how much they charge? So 600 rupees, 700 per month. Of course, nowadays, little bit more. Because nowadays, more and more residence area are far away from local stations. So they have to walk 2-4 kilometers. Accordingly, they may charge more. Otherwise, how much they earn, sir? 200 USD per month? 12 to 15,000 per month only? Despite they are happy, sir, despite that, they expect 1 month bonus. I'm sorry, some customer may not pay bonus. He will not discontinue services because customer is God. He says, I cannot stop to eat food to my God. I told your God, you have not paid bonus. You know what he says? Pavanji, he has not paid 1 month bonus. He has paid 12 months salary. I cannot do that. And because of that, no strike record. What is my message? Sir, customer satisfaction. Let me give 2-3 examples of customer satisfaction. You will enjoy. And my message is there. I asked one Dabawala customer, can you tell me how Dabawala work? Customer told they are excellent. I told what excellent, man? Tiffin is your, food is your. They are simply delivering, that's it. You know what customer told? Sir, they are not simply delivering food. Then customer told, sir, when I leave 6 o'clock, sometime customer forget his mobile spectacle at home. Then 9 o'clock, customer wife put husband mobile in lunch box and Dabawala deliver food with mobile in the hands of customer's office. So you will say, Dabawala gives value added services, free of charge. I asked another customer told they are very honest. I told how they can be dishonest, they cannot eat your food. You know, customer told, sir, not honest, not food. Then customer told, when I get salary, our customer cannot carry salary in pocket. Why? It can be stolen in crowded local train. So what our customer do? When they get salary, after eating food, customer puts salary in empty tiffin and Dabawala deliver empty tiffin with salary in the hands of customer's wife in the evening safely because in 130 years, Dabawala never opened tiffin. What is this, friend? Customer faith. I'm sorry, friends. Today we are working on a CCTV. Man, CCTV may be there. You don't require. You should have yourself. I am the master. I am the best. And because of that, customer send, sir, money. Some customer gold, silver. Sorry, friend. Some customer wife send love letter. पता नहीं क्या क्या भेजते यार. एक किस्सा सुनाता हूँ. थोड़ा हिंदी में बोलूँगा. थोड़े शब्द. I know international customer. You will also understand. So I asked one customer. You know what one customer told? Pavanji, I believe Dabawala God for me. मैंने क्या होगा यार? You know what happened? That customer had dispute with his wife sometime back. And I don't know, friend, other people, but Indian knows how Indian husband-wife fight. That customer also fight with the wife. And Indian husband, angry young man, बंदा टूटेगा लेकिन बीवी के सामने झुकेगा नहीं. Same thing happened. Next day early morning, customer took his bag. Angry young man told his wife, scolded his wife, and told divorce. I will not come back home. Husband went. 9 o'clock, Dabawala came home. Indian wife हमारी दिले के मानता नहीं. Despite dispute, she delivered tiffin to Dabawala, and Dabawala delivered in office. In lunch time, husband saw the tiffin. Morning, angry young man become the hungry young man. So he opened the tiffin. When he opened the tiffin, on top of the tiffin, written message from wife. Oh my beloved man, I love you, Lord. Forget what happened in the morning. Eat my food, it is for you. The message given by wife to husband, delivered by Dabawala. Let me tell you, friend, husband eating food, husband को खाना खाने के बाद शर्म तो आती है. You know what husband is doing? Husband brought 2 cinema tickets, put in empty tiffin and returned love letter to wife. और पता क्या होता है? शाम को मिलेंगे, भूल जाएंगे क्या हुआ. ना आपको सवाल पूछा जवाब देना, इसका मतलब दो आत्माओं का मिलन करने वाला दगा वाला है. दोस्तों, ये ऋषि कितने रोर कर रहे हैं, कितने चिल्ला रहे हैं, इनको नहीं पता. आज फिर प्रोग्राम है. ऋषि साहब, मेरा दावा है ये 5 प्रोग्राम में कम से कम 5 लोगों की जिंदगी 100% बदली होगी. सर मेरा दावा है दोस्तों, आप लोग को हर एक प्रोग्राम देखना रोर विद ऋषि. क्यों? आप 100 प्रोग्राम देखते हो, आपको 10 अच्छे लगते हैं, 10 में से एक बंदा ऐसी बात बोलकर जाता है, आपकी जिंदगी बदल देता है. ये फैक्ट है. वो 10 में से मैं भी एक हूं. Yes, I do this. Sir, my message is what? Sir, when you do it, you must have attitude, approach, discipline. Sir, let me tell how these people are.
The Mumbai Dabawalas are a close-knit group of 5,000 people of stamina, values and ethics.
This man is 60
They
years
are
old.
engaged in the business
This is
of
72 years old.
collecting tiffin
Can you
boxes filled with homemade
Still
food
they are
from
working.
different.
Sir, I'll tell you how they do coding. Such simple piece of
Every day with practically
simple
no
matches
mix
will
of
come the
rock.
brush and they are doing coding. Can you imagine? Sir, they work because बंदा होता है resources may not be available. I will work because करना है तो करना है, कोई excuse नहीं. सांस रोज लेते हैं, खाना रोज खाते हैं, काम भी रोज करना चाहिए. That is what they feel. Sir,
That 200,000 of them are having it on all working days. Watch the spontaneous sorting.
Just imagine, friends.
One tiffin box shifts hands in transit.
And because of that, sir, many documents made by UTV, MTV, ZTV, friends, many achievements. Even you must be doing. It's my privilege. I didn't pay you on this. This way I'm highly qualified. Friend, बोल भी पाऊंगा, मेरी आंखें गीली हो जाती है. But let me tell you in 1 minute, Prince Charles came to Mumbai. So before Prince Charles supposed to come, British consulate phoned Dabawala, Prince Charles want to meet you. You know what Dabawala replied? Dabawala replied, I don't know who is Prince Charles. Consulate told man is the king of London. Oh, London ka Raja hai. Dabawala told, okay, we will allow him to come. Dabawala allowed Prince Charles to come with 2 conditions. We will do 20 minutes only and Prince Charles should come to us. कंसोलेट ऐसी बात करते हो. डबल बोलते साहब वो लंदन के राजा है लेकिन 2 लाख कस्टमर महाराजा है. सो वी हैव दिस कंडीशन रिक्वेस्ट एंड प्रिंस चार्ल्स केम एंड देन डबल माय गुडनेस. सर प्रिंस चार्ल्स की शादी में 2 डबल इनवाइटेड. कैन इमेजिन फ्रॉम ऑल ओवर इंडिया 3 इंडियंस इनवाइटेड अमाउंट 3 इंडियंस 2 डबल इनवाइटेड इन प्रिंस चार्ल्स मैरिज. बोलते हैं ना काम छोटा बड़ा नहीं होता यार, नाम बड़ा छोटा होता है. सी सिंपल पीपल वर्क टिल रिकॉग्नाइज प्रिंस चार्ल्स मैरिज. It means ordinary people working extraordinarily. Sir, इसमें बहुत सी कहानियां है, समय की पाबंदी है. Richard Branson came, sir. He took my cab and he took photo with all of us. Sir, I given many friends. Of course, मेरे पास हर एक photo is my message. But sir, before lockdown, 1 month before, sir, I given to Ahmedabad lecture, and when this man came on the dais, I came to know this is Gautam Adani sir. Sir, believe me, he has given on Twitter, I learned from Dr. Pawan so and so. Sir, of course, I'm sorry. Sir, many places, I'm sorry. I want to show this photo. Sir, this is Imran Bhai, top 10 richest person in Abu Dhabi. Sir, he took our cab and honored, he told Pawan sir, I am honored today. And मेरा कहने का मतलब दोस्तों, हम सर of course ये नेता, अभिनेता, सारे लोग हम सुनते हैं सर. हमारा सौभाग्य है, सोशल वर्क करते हैं हम लोग. Last 1 minute. Friends, we work for HIV/AIDS, Swachh Bharat Abhiyan. Sir, believe me, when I went for Tea Party, it was 5-6 years before, when Narendra Modi ji announced 100 banners. Sir, 100 लोगों को ये बैटरी लो. Friends, what it was? Friends, Mr. Pranab Mukherjee sir told me, Pawan ji, you stand with me. Can you imagine? President told me you will be with me. सर यहाँ पर आपने देखो प्रेसिडेंट के साथ इंटरनेशनल प्रेसिडेंट नरेश अग्रवाल जी, सर मैंने तो नरेश जी के साथ बहुत काम किया है, मेरा सौभाग्य है उस दिन नरेश जी भी साथ में थे, because Lions Club also was one of the brand ambassador, sir for yoga, sir Kapra Bank, Roti Bank, sir we work, sir really friend, even I run Dora Education Center with local train, and sir even I made wooden local dabbas. सर मैं आपको बताता हूँ एक आधा मिनट लूंगा और सर व्हेन आई टोल्ड डब्बावाला इन 2010 यू शुड लर्न कंप्यूटर, यू नो डब्बावाला टोल्ड नो वी आर नॉट इंटरेस्टेड. Sir, I told Dabawala you should learn. एक साल मेहनत किया ऋषि साहब, they were not ready. They at the end of the year I got idea. I told Dabawala, okay, I will do something. Sir, in my school Vikhroli, I made one local train. In every coach put TC. He invited Dabawala. Dabawala told, oh, it's a local train. Now we will come. Now they came to learn for computer. I told Dabawala, you should know English because in Mumbai, our customers from Chennai, Bangalore, Kerala, they know English. They know English, they don't know Hindi, Marathi. To teach English, I made order classrooms of local train. And now they are sitting inside, learn English. What is my message? If our people do not work, they should be asked to work. Like today, Road with Rishi is organizing webinar from home on Zoom, TV, maybe Facebook. Sir, I teach these 5,000 children. Rishi sir, it's my privilege. And these are my school. And sir, before lockdown only in February, I got my budgeted school award all over India. That Dr. Pawan, you are organizing school in such a low fee, low budget. I got award. And that's my presentation. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. My 18 minutes are over. Over to you, Rishi sir. Thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
मैं तो इतना ही कह सकता हूं सर, मैं आपको टेड पे सुना है, आज लाइव सुन के मेरी रगों में खून 4 गुना दौड़ रहा है.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
मैं इतना इंस्पायर हुई इन दिस 18 मिनट्स एंड आई एम श्योर हमारे जो millions of viewers all over the world are now feeling so energetic after listening to you and the inspiring, phenomenally inspiring story of the Dabbawalas of Mumbai. I mean, what a system. मैं इतना ही कह सकता हूँ कि प्राइम मिनिस्टर हो या प्रेसिडेंट हो, नेता हो या अभिनेता हो, राजा हो या रंक हो, सबके हाथ में डब्बावाला का शंख हो. जो फॉर्मूला आपने लोगों को, वर्क एथिक्स दैट यू हैव टॉट पीपल एंड वैल्यूज, पैशन, कमिटमेंट, honesty, integrity, work is worship, customer is God.
Very good.
I mean, the customer is not king. Aap log kehte, you all say customer is God. I mean, if these are the kind of values that anybody imbibes in their life, I mean, be it your business, be it your professional life, be it Lionism, you say our beneficiaries are gods. So I mean, there is no way that you will live a happy and successful life. Fantastic, sir. What a presentation. Like I said, I mean, what people don't teach in 18 months, Lion Pawan Agarwal ji can teach you in 18 minutes. And taking beautiful, phenomenal.
Thank you, thank you everyone.
Right, sir. And now taking our program further, sir, we'll have a question on the session with you as well.
Okay.
We are getting so many responses from a lot of fans. First off, in Lionism, we have Lion Manjari Zangra ji, जो Lions Club घाटकोपर के आपके बहुत पुराने से उनके साथ एसोसिएशन रही है. We have Lion Raghavan Vedantan, जो मेरे Lions Club चिमूर के हैं, जो आपके साथ जोन चेयरमैन रहे हैं. उनको हफ्ते पहले पता. He realized last week that you are coming on a show. He was so excited that my friend Dr. Pawan Agarwal is there on our show. And we have our so many senior dignitaries. We have Lion Pankaj Mehta sir, who was there on a guest, Past District Governor. We have Lion Rajesh Mehra ji and Ruchita Mehra ji, who are your huge fans. And of course, we have Past District Governor Lion Surinder Sharma ji, advisor for this show, who's there live with us. And so, sir, we all know you have been a lion for the past 10 years. Can you tell us something about your lionistic journey? How did you start becoming a lion, and then the various activities that you did in lionism?
Really, Rishi sir, I'm not praising lions because today is a lions program. But sir, let me tell you, I have started this PhD in 2001. And believe me, the good contribution of Lionism also, because I had joined Lionism in 99-2000 of Lions Club Ghatkopar. My sponsor was Lion Pawan Agarwal, and that time the president was Praveen Asher. And I remember Roy District Governor, I think हंसराज अरोड़ा someone नाम थोड़ा शायद मैं गलत हूँ, I don't know. And friend, sir,
Yes, yes, नहीं सही कह रहे हैं।
उसी समय मैंने एक दिशा कार्यक्रम ऑर्गेनाइज किया था सर। पूरे 3 महीने तक मेहनत किया था मैंने वो दिशा ऑर्गेनाइज करने के लिए। दिशा मस्ट बिकॉज आई एम एजुकेशनिस्ट, करियर गाइडेंस फॉर स्टूडेंट्स फॉर कंसिस्टेंटली 7 days 1 week from morning 8 to evening 6, and that was because of I just newly joined Lions Club Ghatkopar. Number 2, sir, in this period, believe me friend, of course every club is best in India, but sorry Rishi sir, गलत मत समझना sir, believe me, Lions Club Ghatkopar one of the best है sir, one of the best है। तो सर मुझे इस क्लब ने अपने परिवार से ज्यादा बॉन्डिंग करवाया सर, बॉन्डिंग करवाया सर। मेरे बच्चे शायद कहीं जाते नहीं थे, बट लायंस क्लब घाटकोपर का कार्यक्रम हुआ या डिस्ट्रिक्ट का, मैं पहले डिस्ट्रिक्ट में तो बहुत ज्यादा नहीं था, क्लब से जुड़ा था सर। बिकॉज ऑफ दैट आई वॉज एसोसिएटेड वेरी क्लोजली एंड इन वेरी शॉर्ट स्पैन ऑफ टाइम। आपने नाम लिया ना सुरेंद्र शर्मा जी, गुरु मेरे सर, नो डाउट, इतना प्यार दिया, ऑफकोर्स नो डाउट।
हमारे डिस्ट्रिक्ट गवर्नर राकेश चौबल जी आपके बहुत बड़े फैन हैं। आप हमारे डिस्ट्रिक्ट कैबिनेट में हैं, यू आर पार्ट ऑफ आवर डिस्ट्रिक्ट कैबिनेट सर।
यस सर, मैं आ रहा हूं उनके बारे में बोलने के लिए सर। रियली जहां तक मेहरा साहब भी है सर, इतने सुंदर, मेरे ख्याल से वन ऑफ द स्मार्टेस्ट गवर्नर आई थिंक अपने डिस्ट्रिक्ट में, बता नहीं मिस्टर मिसेस मेहरा साहब सर। कई लोगों ने, मुझे याद है सर, मेरा प्लस पॉइंट क्या था सर, जब मैं क्लब का घाटकोपर बना ऋषि साहब सर, मैंने पूरा इंडक्शन डबल थीम पर किया। विशेष साहब गवर्नर तो मुझे याद है। और सर इस साल तो मैं माफी चाहता हूँ चौबल साहब, लेकिन सर बिलीव मी ऋषि साहब, मैं बोला था मुझे डिस्ट्रिक्ट कमेटी चेयरमैन नहीं बनना कि मैं समय दे नहीं पाता हूँ सर। पिछले 4-5 सालों में सर मैं हफ्ते में 25 दिन ट्रैवल करता हूँ पूरा, बिकॉज ऑफ दिस लेक्चर। तो सर मीटिंग में अटेंड करता हूँ, मैं रिप्लाई दे नहीं पाता हूँ, लेकिन चौबल साहब ने तो सर मुझे बस आदेश ही दिया, और गवर्नर का आदेश किसकी मजाल है, कोई मना कर दे। और सर चौबल साहब इतना रिस्पेक्ट देते हैं ना, उनका तो बहुत सर। बिलीव मी फ्रेंड्स, despite lockdown, I think I am not able to attend all meetings because of again my webinars. Sir, मैं continue busy हूँ पिछले 4 महीनों से webinar seminar में। But sir, despite lockdown, the manner in which our district doing program has gone to all district cabinet and teams, extraordinary. उसका नतीजा आपका देखो, ओवरऑल विद रिची सर, क्या है ये सर, नशा है। And that's the reason closely। और सर ऋषि साहब, फिर मुझे क्लब में इतना प्यार मिला सर, अभी नहीं रहे, श्री शाह साहब हो या फिर दिनेश भाई हो, और जो आपने नाम लिया ना मंजरी बहन सर, मेरा 2 रिश्ता है, मेरी बहन भी हो और भाभी भी है। मंजरी बहन को मानता हूँ, लेकिन राकेश भाई को भाई मानता हूँ, तो भाभी होगी ना, ऐसा सर पता नहीं ऐसे रिश्ते है सर। और मतलब फॉर्चुनेटली ऋषि सर, माई सन वॉज द लियो प्रेसिडेंट ऑफ लियो क्लब ऑफ घाटकोपर 5 years 6 सर। मेरा पूरा परिवार, हम लायंस के प्रति इतने श्रद्धा सुमन है, क्योंकि ऋषि सर, इफ सपोज टुडे आई एम वर्ल्ड फेमस स्पीकर, बिलीव मी द बिग कंट्रीब्यूशन ऑफ लायनिज्म एंड लायंस क्लब डिस्ट्रिक्ट एंड लायंस क्लब माय घाटकोपर, बहुत बड़ा योगदान ऋषि साहब, इतना योगदान है सर, मैं बता नहीं पाऊंगा। अभी हम लोग सब मिलते हैं ना, मुझे 2 साल पहले हनुमान जी अग्रवाल मिले थे कहीं पर सर, इतना प्यार करते लायंस वाले। और जब पता चलता है, जैसे आपको पता चला कि मैं लायन हूं, तो सर फिर तो बोलते हैं ना, बस एक पेज फ्री है, एक पेज 11, ऐसा हो जाता है। एंड फ्रेंड्स,
तो सर अभी से रोर कर रहे हैं आप, तो सर यू आर द बिगेस्ट लायन रोरिंग वर्ल्ड वाइड, और पूरे देश और कंट्री का नाम यू आर।
नहीं सर, मैं मतलब मुझे याद है सर, नरेश अग्रवाल जो प्रेसिडेंट बने इंटरनेशनल, उसके बहुत पहले की बात है सर। हम हमारा पहला बार जयपुर में किए थे, फिर हम सब वहां मिले प्रेसिडेंट टी पार्टी में भी सर। इतने बड़े लोग सर मुझे से छोटे व्यक्ति को इतना सम्मान देते ऋषि साहब सर। मैं सही में माता पिता को धन्यवाद देता हूँ कि हर माता पिता अपने बच्चे को इतना सीखता है और इतना बनाता है। लेकिन बच्चों, जो मुझे सुनने वाले उनको मैं रिक्वेस्ट करूंगा, बच्चों तुम्हारी जिम्मेदारी है कि यू हैव टू शो द रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी, यू हैव टू शो रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी, बिकॉज वी इंडियन कैन डू वंडर्स। बस आपको ऐसा गरजना चाहिए, लेकिन जैसे गरजते हो वैसे बरसना भी चाहिए सर। बिलीव मी, आप मेरा पूरा कहीं पे काट लो सर, मैं जो बातें बोलता हूँ लेक्चर में सर 100% वैसा मैं हूँ, आपको 1% गलत नहीं लगेगा सर, इम्पॉसिबल। यू कैन चेक सर, दिस इज व्हाट यू शुड हैव। हमारे मराठी में बोलते हैं ना, जे पोटात आहे ना ते ओठात पाहिजे। राघवन जी कल मुझे आप बोल रहे थे, ये सर राघवन साहब भी कल फोन आया, मतलब सर ये सब है और यही मेरा लाइनिज्म है सर। और सर ऋषि साहब, मैं किसी कीमत पर अपने इस टीम के ऊपर लायंस का नाम सर उस आखिरी सांस तक मिटने नहीं दूंगा सर। ये मेरा सौभाग्य है और इसको सर मैं खैर मैं पोस्ट नहीं लेना चाहता हूं क्योंकि समय दे नहीं पाता हूं, लेकिन सर बिलीव नहीं, इवन विदाउट पोस्ट आई एम डूइंग लायनिज्म ग्लोबली। So heads up.
Yes, you are the biggest ambassador of Lionism that we have in our country, sir. You are the biggest ambassador.
My pleasure.
Phenomenal work you're doing. I can proudly say, Lion Dr. Pawan Agarwal ji.
Yes, sir. I will speak.
That's what we always call and refer to you, sir. Phenomenal, yes. Phenomenal.
Thank you.
I'm sure so many of our viewers who are listening to this, especially of our district, would be so happy to have so many fond memories of you that they had, and I'm sure. In the future also there'll be lots of opportunities. हम आपको कहीं जाने नहीं देंगे, आप दुनिया में घूमते रहो, आपको घर पे वापस
नहीं सर मैं जाऊंगा नहीं, निकालेगा भी जाऊंगा नहीं।
नहीं सर, हम कहीं नहीं आपको छोड़ेंगे। अच्छा सर, taking to the story of how Dabbawalas actually kind of operate in Mumbai, I'm sure there must be a lot of challenges. I mean, there must be times of Dabbawalas, they must have some fever. Then what happens? How do Dabbawalas manage that?
Oh, very good question, sir. So suppose because of time constraint, आपने देखा होगा there was structure of Dabbawala. In that one post is Mukadam. Mukadam is group leader. Sir, he organized. Suppose in one group 10 20 Dabawala there, he organized that group. And sir, in every group it is compulsory to have 2 substitute. So सुनना से 2 substitute, and these 2 substitute every day on the toe. Number 2, these 2 substitutes are paid by group members. They are not paid by organizer because these 2 substitutes work for 10 members. So if anyone remain absent, anyone got sick, so that substitute will work in his place. But let me tell you friends, many times it happened despite they are sick, at least till delivery they are working. सर मैंने देखा है सर। एक और किस्सा सुनाऊंगा सर, पर्पली सॉरी सर। व्हेन आई सॉ सम Dabbawala father expired, sorry for emotionally question I'm touching. I went one time because I was in research, I was visiting I think every now and then. So when I saw in one group when Dabbawala was not quite disturbed, frustrated or disappointed, I asked what happened. Someone told me, sir, his father expired. Really? Papa गुजर गया, तू काम कर रहा है? After 10 minutes, I put my condolence and asked him, यार your father expired. पता है दोस्तों क्या बोलता है? सर मेरे पापा गुजर गए, कस्टमर जिंदा है ना, उनको 100 तो कर दूं, then I will go for funeral. My dear friends, can you imagine? सेम किस्सा एक और किस्सा सुनाऊंगा मैं, घाटकोपर का है। मैं अगला रिसर्च कर रहा हूँ मुंबई के पेपर वालों पर। ऋषि साहब, मैं घाटकोपर के असल पर विलेज आप जानते हो। I went there. सर मुझे पता चला एक 62 ईयर ओल्ड का पेपर वाला सुबह 4 बजे हॉस्पिटल से डिस्चार्ज होता है, सरोदा हॉस्पिटल में एडमिट था। 4 बजे डिस्चार्ज होता है, 4 घंटे पेपर का काम करता है, 8 बजे वापस एडमिट होता है। पता है क्या बोलता है? साहब यदि मैं 4 घंटे काम नहीं करूंगा मेरे कस्टमर टूट जाएंगे, मेरे कस्टमर को पेपर नहीं मिलेगा। एक Dabbawala बोलता है मैं अन्ना चाहता हूं, पेपर वाला बोलता है मैं ज्ञान चाहता हूं। दोस्तों समझो इस बात को, हम तो सिर्फ बहुत तकलीफ वाले हैं। इस लॉकडाउन में भी वी आर आई थिंक कंफर्टेबल। सो दैट्स द रीजन सर, दिस फीवर पीपल आल्सो वर्किंग, जब उनको सर ये फीवर, उनको काम का फीवर होता है साहब, उनको काम का फीवर है। दैट्स व्हाई दे वर्क ऋषि सर। ओवर टू यू।
राइट सर, वर्क इज वर्शिप, काम का जुनून, दैट्स सच अ huge kind of lesson that all of us have worked. I mean, when you have the passion and the commitment, nothing can stop you. Nothing is impossible. I mean, sir, how do you recruit actually new people in your organization? What is the pattern, sir?
Sir, HR question. Excellent. And my dear friend, you please listen to me. इसका जवाब सुनना, you will really मतलब get thrilled, and definitely this answer you can implement in your business also. Sir, आपको तो पता है कि एक्चुअली सॉरी भले कोई कुछ भी बोले, इनका सिर्फ मराठी व्यक्ति ऐसा कुछ नहीं है सर। जो मैं रिसर्च कर रहा था अभी, आज की क्वेश्चन पता नहीं मुझे, लेकिन तब सर 9 लोग नॉन मराठी भी इसमें थे। लेकिन कंडीशन क्या है सर? मान लो आई एम नॉट Dabbawala, मैं एग्जांपल दे रहा हूं ऑडियंस। मान लो ऋषि सर वांट टू बिकम अ Dabbawala एंड आई एम प्रेसिडेंट Dabbawala. व्हाट इज द कंडीशन? प्रेसिडेंट Dabbawala शुड टेक हिज गारंटी. So you know what I will do? Before I take his guarantee, I will start Mr. Rishi to start training. Every day evening, on Sunday evening, I will go on training to him. Till that time, he will not become like me.
Okay.
The day when I'm confident he is like me, I will bring him into my business. And from that day, he will start to work like me. Suppose he is working like me, very good. But if he is not working like me, my Mukado will kick out of him, out of the group. What will happen? Mr. Rishi lost job, and from tomorrow I lost. Even I will not allow to bring my son into my business. What is my message? Sir, इसका मतलब क्या? If किसको डब्बा वाला बनना है, तो प्रेजेंट डब्बा वाला ही नया डब्बा वाला को लाएगा. सर मान लो जैसे लायनिज्म में, सर आपको नया मेंबर लाना है, सर कौन लाएगा? प्रेजेंट लायन ही ला सकता है, लेकिन कब? उसको अपना लायनिज्म समझाने के बाद.
करेक्ट.
ये हमको मेहनत करनी है. सर दिस सर नॉट ऑन जॉब ट्रेनिंग, बिफोर जॉब ट्रेनिंग. एंड कौन देता है? द पर्सन हु टेक द रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी. माय डियर फ्रेंड्स, जितना अधिकार समझते हो, जिम्मेदारियों को भली भांति समझना होगा. मेरा दावा है वो दूर नहीं कि पूरे वर्ल्ड में लायन रेसिडेंट नंबर 1 है. हर कोई सर भगवान मानता है और मानेगा. इफ यू हैव दिस सिस्टम इन योर बिजनेस एंड योर सोशल सर्विसेज ऑल्सो. ऋषि जी,
हमारे सर वैसे ही सर अलायंस में हमारा एक स्पॉन्सर होता है जो मेंबर को लाता है. तो बेसिकली कहने का मतलब ये है कि गुड पीपल अट्रैक्ट गुड पीपल.
एग्जैक्टली.
आप यू सी गुड पीपल हु वांट टू डू सर्विस, ऑटोमेटिकली लोगों के साथ, आपके साथ लोग जुड़ते जाएंगे और वो कारमा बढ़ता जाएगा. तो डब्बा वाला जो लायनिज्म में, वो एक सिमिलैरिटी है कि अच्छाई को पकड़ती है. That is the message that we can all learn from their recruitment patterns. Like goodness attracts goodness. That is the big thing with it.
जैसे अपने आप से आपने बोला ना कि हमारे यहाँ बाय इन्विटेशन नहीं है, बाय एप्लीकेशन सिलेक्शन है.
Correct.
लायंस में.
Correct. Right. Acha sir, sometimes we were seeing in the videos, there were dabba walas who were, you said 62 years old, 70-year-olds. I'm sure there must be some dabba walas who retire. And I'm not very sure उनको कोई gratuity fund होता है कि नहीं, और God forbid कोई some डब्बा वाला expires at a young age at 30, 35, 40, 45. What is the system in your association for this kind of casualty, sir?
Very quickly I will respond, sir, because time constraint. Sir, the person who retired, so for example मैं अपने ऊपर लेता हूँ, मान लो मैं डब्बा तो आज मैं मर गया, तो सर पता है क्या सिस्टम है? Today, whatever my income, 10 times than that my group will pay me to my family. If I am handing to me 10 times more, suppose I am earning 20,000 per month, my group will pay me 2 lakhs to me. And how my group will raise money? Sir, उनका खुद का बैंक है, दक्कन मावड़े पथपेड़ी क्रेडिट सोसाइटी. My group will take money loan from that Pathpedi bank and they will pay me and they will repay monthly to that Pathpedi or bank. It means my group is my everything. Sir, जैसे मान लो I got accident at Viti station. Sir, you will surprise teacher, immediately those who are nearby Dabawala, they will contribute 50, 100 rupees and they will took to my hospital. That's it. वो पैसा कोई रिइंबर्समेंट नहीं. इंसानियत सर, कोई हिसाब किताब नहीं. क्यों बोलते ना सर आपला माणूस. सर आपला माणूस मतलब क्या? सर ह्यूमैनिटी. सर उसको कोई नाम लिखा नहीं होता है. लायंस ह्यूमैनिटी करता है, वो किसी जात पात नाम देख के नहीं करता है सर, वो काम देख के दाम देख के करता है. दैट्स इट. क्यों? सर्विंग फूड, सर्विंग गॉड. वैसे यहाँ पर सर्विंग पीपल, इट मींस लायनिज्म. दैट्स इट. तो ऋषि सर इनका ये सिस्टम है.
ह्यूमैनिटी की आपने बात की सर, आई कैन एनफोर्स द थीम जो हम व्हिच इज देयर ऑफ आवर बिलवड डिस्ट्रिक्ट गवर्नर राकेश चोमल जी, इज दिस ईयर थीम इज ह्यूमंस फॉर ह्यूमैनिटी.
एग्जैक्टली.
तो
सर
ये
बीच में बोलूंगा सेंटेंस है, जैसे मेरे ऑफिस में लिखा है सर, मेरे पापा ने दिया था मुझे कागज. सर मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगा, हालांकि मुझे कभी बोलने का समय नहीं मिला, डिस्ट्रिक्ट में मैं एडमिट नहीं किया. देखो सर ये मेरे पे लिखा है, मेरे पापा ने बोला था इंसान का जन्म सहज होता है लेकिन इंसानियत कठिन परिश्रम से मिलती है. और वो इंसानियत मतलब लायंस वाले सर कठिन परिश्रम से उस इंसान को इंसानियत तक ले जाने का काम करता है. और यही चौधरी साहब इस साल आपका थीम है, जिसको मैं बार बार नतमस्तक प्रणाम करता हूं. द ग्रेट थिंग.
Fantastic. Sir, I'm sure you have a customer base of 2 lakh customers you were talking about. I'm sure a lot of companies must have used that as brand ambassadors. एक सुना था KBC का एक किस्सा था सर, यूज डब्बा वाला, which was a very unique idea. Tell us something about it, sir. क्या था? अमिताभ बच्चन सर आप तक पहुंच गए थे.
यस सर, मतलब कैसा था जी सर, मतलब सारी मैंने बोला मेरी तारीफ नहीं सर, कहां पर से मैंने बस एक निमित्त बना उस समय. तो मैंने रिसर्च करता था सर मैं, तो ड्यूरिंग रिसर्च मेनी डेलीगेट्स वर कमिंग टू मीट एंड सम डेलीगेट्स आस्किंग, तो इंग्लिश में बोलता था तो डब्बा में मुझे बुलाते थे, सर इनको समझाओ. तो उस बीच में सर वन टाइम आपको याद है कौन बनेगा करोड़पति स्टार्ट हुआ था. So that was the first time we had done marketing for कौन बनेगा करोड़पति. उन्होंने सब फ्लायर बनाया और यहाँ पे लिखा हुआ था आज का गाना अमिताभ के साथ घर जाकर देखिए कौन बनेगा करोड़पति. घर जाकर देखिए. तो हमने फ्लायर किसको दिया? ऑफिस में डब्बा जाते समय. यदि मान लो कस्टमर की बीवी को मैसेज देना है तो हम लोग कब डालेंगे? खाली डिब्बा घर पे जाते समय, ताकि वो फ्लायर महिला के इसमें जाए. फॉर एग्जाम्पल HIV एड्स, सर बिलीव मी मुझे बहुत बड़ा मौका मिला सर. 13 years तक आई वॉज द ब्रांड एम्बेसडर फॉर दैट यूथ HIV एड्स प्रोग्राम्स. तो हम लोग कैलेंडर छापते थे और सारे लोग ये एवर्ड सोसाइटी हमको फ्री देती थी, हमारा काम था उसको डिस्ट्रीब्यूट करना. तो वी वर गिविंग व्हेन एम्प्टी टिफिन गोज होम, बिकॉज वी वर इन्फॉर्मिंग टू फीमेल्स अबाउट HIV अवेयरनेस. तो सर उस टाइम के बाद इतनी ऐड आती है सर, मेनी कंपनीज डूइंग फ्लायर कैंपेनिंग थ्रू टिफिन. बट सर बता दो आपको, दे कैन नॉट सेल प्रोडक्ट. सर बड़े बड़े ऑफर आए बट दे आर इंटरेस्टेड. एंड प्लीज लिसन एवरी लिसनर बिजनेसमैन, सर दे डू नॉट एक्सेप्ट एनी ऑफर विच डिस्टर्ब देयर सिस्टम. बोलता है सर ये मेरा काम है, और एक्सेप्ट भी करेगा सर तो डब्बे वाले बिजनेस के पहले या उसके बाद एक्सेप्ट करेगा, उसके बीच में नहीं. सच लॉयल्टी एंड डिवोशन, डेडिकेशन टू दिस बिजनेस.
Fantastic work ethics. If we can learn from anybody, it is Mumbai Dabbawalas. Sir, सब कुछ Dabbawalas have been serving our city for the past 130 years, 130 साल sir. And in the past 5 months, 6 months, if I may say, the basis of the Dabbawala functioning is Mumbai local train. Yes. That is the heartline of the entire business. Now, on 24th of March, unfortunately, due to circumstances, we had a lockdown in the entire country. There were no local trains. For Abibi, still the local trains are not running regularly for office-going people. It's only for essential. Please tell us, sir, in the past 6 months, how are Dabbawalas in Mumbai surviving?
Friends, really, it's a very emotional question Rishiji asked me. But friends, this pandemic situation disturbed everyone globally, no doubt. But I'll speak about Dabbawala, please. Friend, last 6 months, 80% Dabbawala are at villages. 80%. The reason, आपको बताया मैंने, without local and Dabbawala cannot deliver. The reason why? Because sir, एक तो economically cheaper, long railway route, 60-70 kilometer, that coverage. Number 2, traffic, they cannot go by road, traffic congestion, or then economically also. तो कई कारणों से, तो जब लोकल ट्रेन बंद हो गई सर, मानता हूं मैं, लेकिन सही में सांसें रुक गई. और ऐसा लगा ही नहीं था सर, किसी को नहीं, मुंबईकर को, कि इतना समय चलेगा, खींचेगा. आज 6 महीने सर, almost 6 months today, completing, and stop. Thanks all Mumbaikars, not only Mumbaikar, all Indians. ऋषि सर, कई लोगों ने सर, कई संस्थाओं ने सर इनको ग्रोसरी तो बहुत दिया. मैं लोगों को धन्यवाद देता हूं इस मंच पर से कि जो अन्नदाता खुद अनाज के लिए तरस रहे थे, शायद ऐसा वर्ड यूज करना शायद गलत होगा, बट ये हकीकत है साहब, हकीकत है. लोगों ने सर जाना पहचाना, मे बी रेडियो, मे बी टेलीविजन, मे बी NGOs, मे बी मिनिस्टर, मे बी सेलिब्रिटी, एंड सर दे स्टार्टेड टू हेल्प दिस पीपल. कई लोगों ने सर बहुत जगह, लायंस क्लब में मैं धन्यवाद दूंगा, मेरा ही हमारा ही नाम है, बट कई जगह से सर हेल्प आई है. धन्यवाद. कम से कम सर ये अनाज तो ले पाए. नंबर 2, ऋषि सर, ध्यान रखना, मैं लिसनर को बोलूंगा, याद रखिए दोस्तों, ये दौर कैसा भी है, नया दौर आएगा। इस सिचुएशन कैसे भी है, आपको इसको हुआ क्यों सर, जो कभी नहीं हुआ वो अब होगा, देखना क्यों। देयर आर सम अपॉर्चुनिटीज विच कम्स इन एडवर्स सिचुएशन ओनली। सर बुरा समय हमको बहुत कुछ सिखा कर जाता है। मैं अपनी बात कहूंगा सर, मैं 1 या 2 दिन में 1 सेमिनार दे पाता था, क्यों, आई हैव टू ट्रैवल ऑल द वे। साहब आज 1 दिन में 2 नहीं 5 सेमिनार दे रहा हूं। मतलब ये लॉकडाउन में बहुत बुरा समय है, ईश्वर किसी को ऐसा समय नहीं आया, लेकिन आई एम जस्ट नॉट फेवरिंग, आई एम सपोर्टिंग, नो आई एम नॉट सपोर्टिंग, आई एम जस्ट टेलिंग यू फ्रेंड्स, डरना नहीं है, डरना नहीं है। आप सिर्फ कोरोना के रो के बैठोगे तो कैसे चलेगा यार, नहीं चलेगा। क्यों, मेरी मां कहा करती थी, दुनिया में कितने गम है, मेरे कितने कम है। सर डरना क्या है, ऐसा डरने से नहीं चलेगा यार। जिंदगी एक सफर है सुहाना, कल क्या होगा किसने जाना। सर लेकिन मैं आपको बताऊंगा ऋषि सर, मैं सर 2 साल पहले से पीछे लगा हूं, शायद अब काम में आएगा। सर मेरा पर्पस क्या था सर ऋषि सर, क्या है वो, आई टोल्ड डब्बावाला यू शुड ब्रिंग योर वाइफ इनटू कुकिंग बिजनेस। क्यों सर, इन मुंबई many husband wife both are working, there is nobody to cook food at home. I told Dawala, when your wife will come to cook, suppose ऋषि सर, ऐसे कई डब्बे वाले ऋषि सर जो आपके दादाजी को डिब्बा देता था, आपके पापा को देता था, अब आपको दे रहा है। पिछले 50 साल से आपके परिवार से जुड़ा हुआ है। तो when you your wife was working and when you will come to know that Dawala wife is cooking food, 100% you will start to bring my cook food for your and your wife. If it is good, you will continue. तो सर आने वाले दिनों में इसकी जरूरत पड़ेगी। क्यों सर, घर पे खाना बनाने वाला है कौन सर, और ट्रेन चालू भी होंगी तो सर बहुत मुश्किल है। नंबर 2 सर, वी आर ट्राइंग एट अ लेवल बेस हाउ अदर डिलीवरी वर्क दोबारा शुड गेट, एंड देयरफॉर सर पेंडेमिक सिचुएशन बहुत खराब है। अभी भी सर सर्विस सीट में कई क्लब वाले, इवन आपके क्लब वाले भी सर कुछ मदद कर रहे हैं। ऑफ कोर्स ओवर टू यू, यू टेल मी सर व्हाट वी आर सपोज्ड टू डू, बिकॉज़
ये हमारा आज सौभाग्य है सर कि हमको कुछ फॉर ऑल दोज हु हैव डन सो मच फॉर आवर सिटी, टू ऑल आवर व्यूअर्स आई कैन say with the utmost humility, we have received an appeal from the Mumbai Dabbawala Association for education material, that's notebooks and educational stationery kits for their children. They have received a lot of ration and other food items from a lot of NGOs for this, but education is something which will probably keep their kids, which is so important for them, and we received an appeal for them. And in the past 4 weeks of Roar with Rishi, we have had fantastic motivated speakers. We had AP Singh ji, we had Pankaj Mehta ji, we had Praveen Chhajar ji, and we had Lion Rajesh Mehra ji, who have taught us so much to be able to do service for society. Today, we are actually going to do a live project on Roar with Rishi, not only to Mumbaikars, not only to Lions, non-Lions, for everybody in the world. If you feel the Dabbawalas of Mumbai and the children, you want to support their education, District 3231A2, under the lead club of Lions Club of Chembur and Lions Club of Mankur, under the chairmanship of PDG Lions Surendra Sharma ji and Rajesh Mehra ji. These are, sir, long notebooks, 200 pages. They have requested for these kind of notebooks for each children, 6 of them.
I will enter 1 minute only.
Yes, yes.
सर क्योंकि सर आज ऑनलाइन लेक्चर भी है, ऑनलाइन बुक भी है, लेकिन ऑनलाइन नोटबुक नहीं है सर, notebook or pen pencil. Sir, really, thanks to this idea. God bless you. Excellent.
So for notebooks, children, if they listen to lectures, they need to write it somewhere. And these are stationery kits, pencils, pens, rubber, sharpeners. So we have made an estimate. We've done research. We have collaborated with certain manufacturers. The kit of 6 such notebooks and a stationery kit, education kit, cost about 250 rupees for each child. So we have just committed right now that at least 400 children we are going to support in this education in this pandemic. That's a project cost of 1 lakh rupees, and we are committed, sir. Ye to hum kar hi rahe hain service week mein. We can tell our viewers with all honesty that the requirement is for 1200 children. That's a project cost of 3 lakh rupees. So if there is anybody out there in Mumbai, in outside, all over the world, in 20 countries that our viewers are listening, if you feel you want to support the education of this Dabbawalas of Mumbai, you can contribute to this cause. 4 children, 10 children, 20 children, we leave it up to you. If I may request our technical team to kindly share bank details of Lions Club of Chembur. Yes, viewers on a screen, you will be able to see bank details of Lions Club of Chembur. That's Lions Club of Chembur Charity Fund. All donations done to Lions Club of Chembur. We have Lions Club of Chembur is an organization which has been serving the society for the past 61 years. We started in 1959, and we do healthcare, environment projects. Our medical center is running in Chembur for the past 40 years. 1 lakh patients a year we are blessed to serve. And these are the bank account details. Lions Club of Chembur Charity Fund. All donations under these are exempt under ATG. So we get receipts as well as ATG exemption. The branch details are here: Canara Bank, Chembur Main Branch, account 0105 1010 33834. And the ISFC code for online payments is CNRB 0000105. If anybody wants to join and support in this cause, we request you can do the online payments. Do not forget to write on our page or in this email, rishi@hotmail.com, to send us your confirmations of your contributions. And as soon as we remove the confirmations, we shall mail and dispatch the receipts and the ATG certificates for the same to you. And our target is 1,200 children of Dabbawalas Mumbai, 3 lakh rupees. And if there's anybody who wants to join in this cause in Mumbai, anywhere, all over the world, it will be our honor to be able to do something for somebody, for the people who have served the city for 130 years. That's all we're gonna be. Thank you, technical team. You can move this, just extend the slide. And sir, you spoke about the school that you have started, 6,000 children,
Yes,
and there's a training center you run in Vikhroli. Please tell us something about that, sir.
sir, it is Kamala Education and Charitable Trust, Rishi sir. We are school from 1st standard to 12th standard. And sir, we have all medium, Marathi, Hindi, English. No doubt, Rishi sir, as on today, almost all parents want English medium, maybe maid servant, maybe rich or poor, all want to send their children in English medium. Sir, you will be surprised to know, of course, our even last year, Ghatkopar district, even today's governor sir, Chamal sir also came to my school. Just they have given, sir, you will surprise, sir. I think one of the biggest, what do you call, light चली आती तो बनाते हैं ना, क्या बोलते हैं उसको?
Solar lamp?
Solar machine है sir वो. Oil generator.
Okay.
Sir, Chamal sir, you must be remembering, sir. Believe me, sir, 10 lakh rupee generator they have installed over there because 3,000 studying in Kalwa school. बस हफ्ते में 2 दिन लाइट जाते हैं सर. बिलीव मी, उस दिन से लायंस क्लब ने सपोर्ट किया सर. उस दिन से कभी लाइट गया ही नहीं सर. तो ऐसे हम पढ़ाते हैं और सर आप ताज्जुब करोगे, एटलीस्ट 10% student may not have footwear also. So we are teaching such students. So not only Rishi sir, student, even teachers. Teachers are coming from such a deserted area. They are very good, but in slum area they come to teach. And that's why I am hats off to this. And like this, so 6,000 students from Kalwa, they come out here in this Taluka Panvel and Vikhroli West. Sir, highest fee 345 rupees per month. Can you imagine? And so that credit goes to all people, and the credit goes to people who has given me lecture in the past and they paid me for my session. ऋषि सर 10-12 साल में जितने भी लेक्चर लिए सर, वो लेक्चर के पैसे से मैं इसको चलाता हूँ और ये में सिखाया है. और इसके बावजूद सर मैं वेरी हैप्पी. जस्ट इमेजिन. भगवान और क्या देगा.
Phenomenal work, phenomenal.
And sir, इसी से सर मुझे अवार्ड मिला पूरे भारत में, बजटेड स्कूल अवार्ड. एंड सर एक बता दूं सर, मैं जाते रहते वेरी क्विकली सर, मैंने कहा था मुझे यूथ को मतलब थोड़ा सा मोटिवेट करने इसलिए बता रहा हूँ. विद इन अ मिनट सर, मैं ये चार्टर्ड अकाउंटिंग पीयूष, आई टोल्ड यू ही वाज लियो प्रेसिडेंट. सर यंगर सन मैकेनिकल इंजीनियरिंग किया ऋषि सर, उससे मुंबई में. इंजीनियरिंग के बाद बोलता है पापा मुझे 2 साल अमेरिका जाना है. मैंने बोला 2 शब्द में भेजूंगा, एक तो तू वापस आएगा, दूसरा अकेले आएगा तो जाना है, नहीं तो नहीं जाना है. Sir, thanks, he came back, he came alone, and so he was surprised. Rishi sir, as of now, he is teaching 10th mathematics for Kalwa school.
Wow.
सर ये सर लाइविज्म का रिजल्ट है कि हमारे बच्चे सर हमारे परिवार के लिए, मतलब मेरे नहीं, भारत के लिए काम कर रहे हैं. यही लाइविज्म ने सिखाया है सर. दैट्स व्हाई टू यू.
it is family values which are passed on from generation, sir.
और सर यही सर जो बच्चे ने आपको बोला था मैंने कि सर डब्बावाला चिल्ड्रन तो यही सर, मैं ऑफ कोर्स मैं रिक्वेस्ट करूंगा आपको कि सर जितने हैं कुछ तो मैं से उन स्कूल के बच्चों को भी देना चाहूंगा सर नोटबुक विद योर परमिशन.
We will try our पूरी ताकत पूरी जोर लगा देंगे sir. Yes,
Yes,
to be
thank
able
you,
to do whatever little we can for the phenomenal work that you are doing. And there are so many of our esteemed viewers who are joining us from all over the globe. We have Lion Manish Ladke ji, we have Lion Rajendra Manubhav ji, we have Lion Leena Bajaj, Lion Ritesh Agarwal, we have Lion Mohini Taneja ji, Lion Ramola Karnani ji, Lion Jyoti Bala ji, Lion Namita Mishra ji, Lion Nirmala Arora ji, and so many of our viewers from Kenya, from USA, all our friends from Nepal. Extremely grateful. If I'm not taking any names, we have Lion Sunil Patodia ji, Ritesh Agarwal ji, who have supported us for all our programs. And I still debate if I'm missing any names. All our respected past international directors, PDGs, all our Lion president, friends, family. Thank you all for your love and blessings for Roar with Rishi. And like we said, we're going to have a live project today, and the bank account details are with you. And we hope that during the service week, in the next 7 to 10 days, we shall meet our target and do our duty towards our nation and our city for the welfare of Mumbai Dabbawalas. And before we go, a thank you to a lot of people. A lot of people think that, sir, abhi Roar with Rishi mein Rishi keh rahe the, but it's not a one-man show at all. We have an entire team who looks at a lot of departments. May I request them to kindly switch on the videos so that our viewers can really applaud for them as well. Can we switch on the videos? We have our creative head, the master in marketing, Lion Rupesh Mehta, who was the brainchild of this program, Roar with Rishi. It started only because we had our senior advisor, Lion S.K. Sharma sir, and Maneshwar ji, and members of Lions Club Chembur and Lions Club Mankur who guided us. We have the producer of this show, my wife, Lion Aarti Oberoi, and our production designer, my daughter Simran. You see all these sets, you see the mics, sound, lights, everything. It is Simran all the way. All the research for all our guests is done by Aarti, and all the phenomenal technical work from Zoom to Facebook, social media marketing is done by none other than our startup, the phenomenal digital Quirkies is their name. You want to start a website, you want to boost your sales, you want anything in social media, 360 degrees, Neertha Prabhakar and Anujit from Digital Quirkies. It's a team which brings everything to you, and we're extremely proud of the fantastic work that they have been doing. So thank you all. We have so many. We have Satyapal Chuk ji, Mohini Taneja ji, Sakshi Agarwal, who've been kind to promote our programs in all various forums, especially Facebook and other platforms. Thank you all for your love, support, and blessings. So, ladies and gentlemen, that brings us towards the end of this phenomenal show. I've not enjoyed myself as much as I've enjoyed today. Like I said, मेरे रगों में खून अब 4 गुना दौड़ रहा है. I am so excited.
ऋषि जी, आपकी बिटिया का नाम सिमरन है ना, दिलवाली दुल्हनिया. तो सर पहचाने लोग हैं हम लोग. अच्छा लग रहा है.
Phenomenal. Thank you so much, sir, for your gracious time today. You have inspired millions of people, and we'll do our level best to be able to do whatever little we can for all that you have done for us. Pawan Agarwal ji, Lion Dr.
ऋषि सर, today I honored. Really honored, sir.
Thank you, sir, and thank you for your presence, sir. Really.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much. Jai Hind, everyone.
Jai Hind, Jai Maharashtra. And next week, we shall come with another roaring lion. That's past multiple council chairman, Lion Dwarka Jalanji, who is also one of the best motivational speakers we've had in the history of Lionism in India. He's written so many books. So do join us next Wednesday on Roar with Rishi. और ईश्वर से यही प्रार्थना है, तब तक आप सब स्वस्थ रहिए, मस्त रहिए और जबरदस्त रहिए. So once again, thank you, Lion Dr. Pawan Agarwal ji, for joining us.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, every Lion. Thank you.
All over the world for your love and blessings. Until we meet next Wednesday, thank you, good night, and goodbye.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, good night, everyone. Thank you, sir.